Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Couple, uncouple.
By the way, did you guys miss us? It's been like 2 weeks that we have not posted
Because of Jigar.
because of me. That's right. The thing is, I was not doing well. I was not like tell them.
No.
Tell the actual truth now.
No,
whatever.
so actually, I had a surgery before, and then I was traveling. But we tried to shoot most of the content which you've seen before. But these 2 weeks, because we couldn't shoot. When I came back, I was really tired and exhausted, and etc.
Okay. So today's topic.
Arey bhai, wait now.
I'm excited. Can we show Ivy? Little of Ivy. Yeah, gara. Okay, guys. Sorry for this, but today's topic is going to be very special for me, especially because this is something which I get it one day
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
out of the entire year. Like,
Swear on me. You get it 365
और
days.
इतना cinematic वे में swear on me ये क्या कर रही है?
But swear on me, genuinely.
Also, guys, by the way, from today's video, I think our videos are going to be way more creative. For example, if I want drumsticks, I mean drum, क्या बोलते हैं वो?
Wait.
2,000 years later.
Sorry guys, position change आस्था का हाथ दुख रहा था. But मैं क्या बोल रहा था?
Drum rolls you'll hear.
Drum roll. See if I want here. You come here. But that is what the plan is.
Basically, today's video is what I keep doing for Jigar 365 days. Whatever he wants me to do, I always do for him. But today, just because we're shooting the vlog, we're doing this. But if you do the other way around, that he has to do so much for me, he will never do it.
That we'll see now if we get like good amount of likes and views, then we might do a part 2 of this video.
Dude, if we do a part 2 now, bro,
But
you're
part
finished.
1 तो पता क्या है?
Part 1 is that I cannot say no to Jigar for the next 24 hours for anything.
Sorry, मेरे को इधर चाहिए था, but आया नहीं.
Which means
But you
I
can't
have
say
to say yes to everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Everything means everything.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
And it starts now.
Yeah.
Get me a glass of water with 2 ice. Fast. You can do all this. Go fast. ठंडा पानी का ग्लास एक, उसमें 2 आइस, और आइस मुझे मिनी वाली चाहिए, बड़ी वाली आइस क्यूब नहीं चलेंगी. आज तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है, बहुत ज्यादा मजा आने. पानी क्या पी रही है ब्रो? नया ग्लास ले मेरे को. I want a new glass.
Take this.
No, this is not done.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Okay guys, so we are almost set, and for what?
Basically, Jigar wanted to shoot, so he woke me up in the morning and told me, get ready, because today you have to shoot for me.
Tang.
And I can't say no to anything.
Let's go. Come, let's go. You
I
come, we'll
opened
take
the
this
door for
bag.
you. I opened the door for you.
Door वोर नहीं, we'll take this bag. चल रे. ए नो यार, फिर मेरे को वापस कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग बोलेंगे what a red flag guy.
How much ever I say yes to everything, you still have to do everything.
Guys, मैंने इसको बोला गाड़ी चला, तो इसने मेरे को ऑफ द कैमरा बोला मैं नहीं चलाने वाली, मैं सोने वाली हूँ till the time I reach. इसलिए फिर मैंने रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं किया.
Tell me now to teach you the dance.
चल फास्ट, teach.
Where I get off on the road and teach you all.
Wait, तूने बोला है ना, once you have to get off the car and get it.
No, I'm
No, I don't care. Now you have to do it fast. आज मुझे जितना परेशान उतना मेरे को करना है. Fast. Just get off. Just give one ठुमका fast and get it. Hey, get off. एक ठुमका दे जल्दी, एक ठुमका 3, 2, 1. Loving it, guys.
Now he's told me put the speakers here and shoot for me. बोले तो ट्रैक्टर भी चला.
बोले तो चूड़ियाँ, बोले तो कंगना.
ट्रैक्टर हटाओ, इधर तेरे को शूट करना है तो.
You can do
ठीक
it
है,
then.
just hold it. I'll just start.
Push it now. करना है.
What a lovely weather.
What a lovely day.
What a lovely day of using me.
You're supposed to say yes for everything, and this is the halat right now. क्या करने का? ओ मैडम उठो, मैडम. क्या कर रही हैं?
You only told me to sleep. Now I have to say yes for everything.
अच्छा. सो जा. Guys, I'm super impressed by today's Asta's work. So I've decided that मैं अभी का जो challenge है वो मैं switch अभी करना चाहता हूँ. Whatever you want to say, I'll do it for you.
Go take a swim.
Stop me.
No, I'm not gonna stop.
Stay here, just stop.
Take, go.
No, यार।
Bye.
ऐसा करना है? I take my challenge back, चल। आज तो ढूंढ। ये पुशअप था? हाँ, ये तो सिर्फ पुश था, आप आई नहीं है तू।
I can do chakrasana. I'm doing it after very long, so in case if I fall.
ऐसे फिश ऐसा फफलू फुफू 3 2 1 What the hell, bro? This was impressive, dude. This is going to be my thumbnail for sure. Okay, now you can come up. I don't think you can come up. What you are doing? Okay, guys. So now we have come to this mall. It's called Wood Mall. Basically, I want to get one aesthetic plant.
For his house, for shooting.
Yeah, so I was like, आज ये भी काम खत्म कर लेते because ना बोलने का.
And I
Option
only
है.
have to buy it.
I wouldn't mind. Let's go. That was a good idea, though. Let's go.
Jigar thinks too much of himself, guys, because he got me in a store where one plant and the stand and everything was for 30,000 rupees.
बोला,
Who do you think you are?
Me nahi. I thought who you are. So according to you, I got it.
So you think I'm going to spend that 30,000?
I thought you would. But अभी ये बोल रही है guys स्टेशन पे किधर जाते हैं और लेके आए.
No, now we're going to another mall.
Not mall.
Wherever.
Don't give any faltu hopes to me.
We're going to a mall so that he can do a lot of shopping. And then, you know, I can like get him a lot of things.
A lot of things will include lot of things then. ठीक है? Be careful.
mind.
Be vigilant when you talk about all this. Guys, the plan has been changed. Now I want to go to IKEA, and which is like 45 minutes from my house. I'm like, why not? Because it's just 5:30. We'll be reaching there by 6 and it shuts by 9. So over there, I just want many aesthetic things. And today,
We are literally going from Mulund to Navi Mumbai for no reason, just
No
for
reason.
IKEA. मतलब देखो हाँ बोलना तो तू कुछ भी करवाएगा मेरे को.
Cause, bro, and guys, the best part is, आज हम लोग ने ना चार्जर लाया ना कुछ नहीं लाया. See, you can see we are charging it like right here. We have 18%. मेरा फोन तो बंद हो गया है. And guys, the best thing is, आस्था सब भूल गई है. एक चीज के अलावा वो है उसका कार्ड, जो है मेरे लिए स्पेशल. Today, whatever I want, I can take it. Just swipe it.
Just that you can't get a PS. in
Ah,
IKEA.
you never know. If I tell you, you might have to order it on Blinkit as well, my friend. And this idea again, you put it in my head, so it's bad for you now. Wait, let's just do IKEA first, and धीरे we have full day till 12 AM. We have. Let's just go आराम.
भैया गाड़ी चलाओ पहले.
जिसने बोला भैया गाड़ी चलाओ, अभी भैया क्या करेंगे ना, इनको नहीं पता. ठीक है, आगे बता दिया.
15 minutes later.
Tell me what to do or I'll bang the car head.
Bang? Then maybe I'll ask for a new car. This vlog is
पे?
going wild, I think.
D.
किस पे नहीं D नहीं, R पे
Sorry.
डाल. हाँ, R पे डाल दे.
R पे क्यों? I can straight ना.
Yeah, I can
And lock
straight.
क्यों नहीं हुआ है जिगर?
लॉक हो जाएगा. आज तो एकदम आराम से चला. ठीक है, आज मुझे ट्रीटमेंट एकदम प्रिंसेस वाली चाहिए. प्रिंसेस. Which I really liked, yeah, bro. Actually, you know what you are doing. तू बोल के ना मेरा काम easy कर दिया.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. Let's go, guys. Navi Mumbai, we are coming for you. Okay, guys. We have finally reached to IKEA.
Who drove the car?
Huh?
Who drove the car?
Driving is not the main thing, bro.
But I got you here, Jigar.
So?
I'm so tired, but I still listen to what you said.
ये ले. Oh, la, la, la.
Listen, wait,
Can't
but can
wait.
we keep a limit because I'm paying for it, right? So can we keep
Limit नहीं यार. There's no limit.
max
Only
to
then.
max 1,000 rupees? 1,000.
इधर से कैब करके वापस चली जाती. Right लेना है.
Every dog has its day.
Every dog is fine.
If you want, I'll hold like this and walk full
Full time?
Yeah.
No. I won't be that mean to you.
मेरे से काम करवा रहे हो, खुद करो. खुद का प्लांट खुद लो. समझे क्या?
This is nice, no?
Yeah. Pick it up, hold it like this only now till we pay the bill.
Sure, it's nice.
Yeah.
You're paying for this, that's why.
Guys, just see how much he shopped just because I am paying for it. Like the shamelessness of someone.
Actually मैंने जितना चाहिए ले लिया, उतना जगह तो मेरे घर पे है भी नहीं रखने का.
मेरे घर पे रख देना. आस्था शाह. 22,000?
Sorry.
530.
चल, एक ही दिन मिला है अमाउंट मेरे को. अरे crazy.
How does it feel making me spend 22,000 rupees today?
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है इतने सालों की जो मेहनत है आज कामयाब हो गया हूँ. But this was
Honestly,
just the
guys,
start, guys.
if he's
I
a mean
man,
person, the day is still left and he'll make me spend more money. Otherwise,
it's not about the money now. The efforts will come into the picture.
Jigar, you can pay at least 1,000 rupees of dinner.
Nope.
I'm leaving then, bye.
You leave, but today everything is on you. That's. What are you having? Pan shot? Let's go, buddy. It was tequila shot.
गाइस आज तो दिन खत्म हो रहा है बट कल की पिकल बॉल के लिए ये मेरे से बुक करवा रहा है और
अरे-
इसने ये भी बोला है कि ब्लिंकिट से अभी पीएस ऑर्डर कर 12 बजे के पहले.
Guys, अभी मेरे पास मौका है तो why not? And I want you to do that. That
You're a
doesn't-
materialistic girl.
materialistic नहीं. I am full of material only. Why not?
Guys,
मेरे को comment section में इतना hate आने वाला है ना.
see guys, कल का बुकिंग जिगर ने मुझसे अभी करवा लिया.
क्योंकि मैंने UPI इसमें दिया है मेरा.
झूठा जिगर.
तो बता, क्या details है बता कार्ड के.
वो नहीं बता सकते हो झूठा जिगर.
At the moment आस्था की हालत ऐसी हो गई और मेरे 10 मिनट अभी भी बाकी है लास्ट के. इधर देखो मैम, एक चालू मैंने पानी से किया था एंड भी एक पानी से हो जाए तो मजा आ जाए. एक लास्ट दे देना, बहुत मजा आएगा प्लीज. Oh, so sweet. Okay guys, so on this note, I'm so happy that Astha did almost everything, whatever I wanted and whatever I said, whatever I asked for it, you did it. And I'm happy.
22,000 it's already done.
देख जो हो गया आज का रात गई बात गई, मेरा ऐसा एक
Guys,
ही
मैं
उसूल
आप
है.
देखो मैं इतनी टायर्ड हूँ उसने इतना मेरे से काम करवाया डोना.
Don't ask, चल सही है. They are not even asking, it's
If you
fine.
want the thing should reverse, then please tell us in the comments that it should reverse because if it does, I'm gonna take the revenge double of it, not even single.
Cool. So on this note, thank you so much guys for watching this video till now. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to
Couple and couple.